maths this week, you have been doing place value and in particular the value of digits. What I want to see if you can do now is if you can apply this to reasoning and problem solving. So let's have a look at one together. Did you get a good look at it? So Captain Conjuncture thinks that this is the biggest number, the number with the most value, that he has using all 10 counters whilst using all his columns as well. There are a few things that we need to consider here. So, for example, we need to think about he's got 10 counters. We also need to consider he needs to use all of the columns because he's got hundreds, he's got tens, and he's got ones. When we're reasoning, we really do need to think outside the box a little bit. The simplest answers aren't always the correct ones. So what I've done is I've used all of my 10 counters and I've put them in the box that I think will give it the most value. So I've put all of my counters in the hundreds column because I believe hundreds has the most value. But what have I done incorrectly? Think about the question again. Give the video a pause, have a talk with your adult. What have I done incorrectly? Hopefully, you would have come to the conclusion that I have not used all of my columns. So, currently I have 10 hundreds. Now I know 10 hundreds, 10 lots of 100 is 1,000, but I need to use all of my counters, which I have done, but I need to use all of my columns as well, which I haven't. So I'm going to take this one away and I'm going to put it in the tens column. Have I used all of the columns now? No, I haven't, have I? So I'm going to take another one from my hundreds column and I'm going to put that in my ones column. Now, I have now used all of my columns and I've used all 10 counters. What number do I have? Pause the video and talk to an adult. Does this look like the same number that Captain Conjuncture used earlier? Because I here have got 8 hundreds, 1 10 and 1 1, which means 811. Which is the same number, isn't it? So do we agree or disagree with the statement? Perfect. We do, don't we? We agree with the statement because he has used all of his columns and he's used all of his counters as well. That's exactly what we mean about thinking outside the box. So now what I want you to do is I would like you to think about the smallest number we could make but still using all of our columns and using 10 counters. So apply the same concept to this new question. Let me know in the comments below, if you have permission, what you think the smallest number we can make is using all the columns and 10 counters. The question will appear after the video. Have fun. Maths is great. Stay safe.